Hello friends, how are you? How is coronavirus? Well, we will get the technique of living with coronavirus, so don't worry about that. We will continue our studies. Children, in the last lecture we discussed about physical quantities, fundamental and derived. We wrote the definitions. We understood the definitions of fundamental and derived physical quantities. Okay. Now there are some systems of measurement. Some examples of such systems are given here in our textbook, and we will try to understand them. Okay. Children, I want to say that each physical quantity has its own individual unit. So first of all, you need to know what is a unit. I hope you know about units, yet mass is measured in kilograms, so kilogram is called a unit. Length is measured in meters, meter is called a unit. Time is measured in second, so second is called unit. Area is measured in meter square, so meter square is called unit. Thus, in this way, all the physical quantities have their own units. Each physical quantity has a unit, its individual unit. Okay. But in fact, in different systems of measurement, a quantity may have different units, and therefore it is required to study the systems of measurement individually or differently. Okay. System number 1, as per our course, as per our book, FPS system. System number 1, FPS system. FPS. What is there in this system? Look, there are three physical quantities which have been taken as fundamental physical quantities. Only three physical quantities were there in this system which were considered as fundamental physical quantities. Okay, and the physical quantities were length, mass and time. So I am writing them. Look at this. Base quantities, unit and simply denoted by, means sign, simply denoted by. First base quantity in this system, in system FPS, first base quantity, base means fundamental quantity, is length. Second base quantity in this system is mass. Third base quantity in this system is time. Okay, unit of length. It means length is measured in foot. First letter of unit is F. It means foot is simply denoted by F. Mass is measured in pound. It's denoted by capital P. Time is measured in second, denoted by S. Here is FPS system for you. Dear friends, this is an old system which were used before many years in Britain. In fact, many countries in the world had accepted the system for their uses, technical studies, etc. In fact, this is an old system, also known as British system. We are just required to get the information about the system. Okay, 3 base or fundamental quantities, length, mass and time. They are measured in foot, pound and second respectively. The units are denoted by F, P and S respectively, and hence the system is called FPS system. This is all we have to know. Okay. FPS system. Okay. Another CGS system. System number 2. CGS. Okay. In this system, again, base quantities, unit and sign. Again, the physical quantities or the fundamental physical quantities are length, mass and time. Length, mass and time. Length is measured in centimeter. Centimeter, okay, denoted by C, simply C. Mass is measured in gram, G. Time is measured in second, S, and thus it is CGS system. Okay. Again, third system of measurement is MKS. MKS. In this system, base quantities are again length, mass and time. Okay. Quantity number 1, length. Quantity number 2, mass, and quantity number 3, time. Okay. Length in this system is measured in meter. Mass is measured in kilogram. Time is measured in second. Okay. M, K and S. Thus the system is known as MKS system. Children, so far we haven't used rules of using units. In fact, these are the systems which were to be taken just for information. Okay, but in SI system, when we will study SI means International System of Units. In that system, we require particular unit, specific unit of a physical quantity and a specific symbol of that unit. For example, in this system, CGS system, we have used G for gram. Gram is unit of mass. Then there is no problem if we use capital G or small g in this system. But in SI system, we require specific symbols, sign conventions for given units, because the system has been accepted internationally, and that system is SI, International System of Units, which we will discuss in the next lecture. But before it, one question for you. After all, what do you think about a unit? What is a unit as per your knowledge? Unit is a word, unit is a certain standard with which we measure a physical quantity. A standard which is used to measure a physical quantity is called unit. Got it? So please note the systems down, and we will start studying SI in the next lecture very fast, very soon. Thank you.